Movie's name.
Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
The plot.
The narration is divided into two sections. The first narrates the most that passes, since Mr. Wonka's announcement until the discovery of the last golden ticket, and the second describes the visit to the factory, made in a single day.
What do you learn about the movie?
I learned that the feeling is a little bit more important than your dreams, desires, and your inspiration.
How did it make you feel?
The movie made me feel restless to know who will be the winner of the factory.
How does the movie relate to the academic program that you're studying?
As seen from psychology, most people have disturbances or disorders that can be corrected.
Another ending for the movie could be
Charly never come back with Wonka and his factory went bankrupt.